Hello friends, hope you are fine wherever you are. This is physical pharmaceutics under pharmaceutical calculation. Let's try to go through this question together. So here the question is, what weight of salicylic acid, which is SA, must be added to an ointment containing 2% salicylic acid to produce 100 grams of an ointment containing 3% salicylic acid? So let's try to understand this question together. What weight of SA must be added to an ointment containing 2% of that acid? So we want the weight of this SA, which must be added to produce to that an ointment containing 2% SA to produce 100 grams. So now I can say, let me just use the formula to say percentage times the amount is equal to the one. Was the one at initial. What percent? So here is the concentration, which is the concentration or the percentage strength that we have been given. Concentration times the amount will give us the concentration, which is the percentage strength or concentration, times the one that is produced now, which is times the amount produced. So now this is the formula that we are going to use. So here, like that. So I'm going to say like this. Here, let me try to add data. So let me try to add my data. So what am I going to do? Let me just do this. Let me just write here data. So my data, I can say at first, which is initial, the percentage strength that I'm having. So here is initial. I'm having the percentage strength that I'm having. So I can say concentration, I'm having 2%. So 2% is the same. Since I'm finding in grams, I'm going to say this means it is 2 grams in 100 ml solution. In 100 ml solution. Then after that, I can say what is the amount that reacted, or what is the amount that was there here, which we have here as Q. So the amount that we have here, we don't know is what is X. So the amount is X there. We don't know because it haven't been given there. Then for us to find the amount of SA that was added to an ointment containing 2% SA to produce 100. So listen, we want to know the amount that was added to produce 100. Which was added to what? You get, right? Which was added to 2% there, or to an ointment containing 2% there. So I'm going to say, since the amount that was produced is 100 grams, which is the weight. So here I'm going to say weight added. So I'm going to say weight added is 100 minus X. You get? That is the weight that was added. 100 minus X. Hope we are following. So 100 minus X, because X is the amount that we started with, which we don't know as an initial. Then 100 is the one that we produced. Then when we remove the one that we produced and the one that we started with, you're going to find that that is the weight that was added. So now, final. So here, final, we can say our concentration or percentage strength, we have 3%, which is the same as 3 grams 100 here in 100 ml solution. Then what of the amount is 100 grams, like that. So let me try to apply the formula and come up with the answer. So here I'm going to say C, my formula is C, Q here is equal to C, Q there. Here there is a multiplication. So I'm going to say what is my concentration at first is 2%. So remember I said 2% can be written as 2 grams over in 100 mils like that. So it will be 2 over 100 like that. So here it will be okay. So here it will be 2 over 100 then times what is the amount is x, we don't know. Then we want to know the one that we added. I'm going to add here. I'm going to add there. So here to be 100 minus x. Remember we said the amount that we added is 100 minus x. Then we are going to say is equal to, here the concentration or percentage strength is 3%, which can be written as this one. Remember this one here, which is 3 over 100. So 3 over 100 like that one. Then times what is the amount which was produced is 100 like that. You see? So now here I can start my calculation. I can say this 2 times x is 2x over 100, then plus the 100 minus x here, then is equal to, then I can say this one and that one will go, then to be just 3 like that one. Then here I can say over 1, then we cross multiply to say here to be 100, then 100 into 100 it is 1, then here to be 2x, then plus this into that one, 1 into 100 times 100 is 10,000, then minus 100 times x is 100x is equal to 3 like that one. Then when I reach there I can say, over 1 there, then cross multiply 100 times, or this 1 times this one to be 2x, then I can even correct the like terms, 100 minus x, or 2x minus 100x, then plus the 10,000 is equal to 100 times this is 300 like that. Then 2x minus that one is negative 98x plus 10, which can also be written as is equal to 300 minus 10,000 like that one. Then negative 98x is equal to 300 minus 10,000, which will give us negative 9,700, which is 9,700. Then I'm going to say we divide both sides with 98, which is negative, even here negative 98 like that. Then what will be my answer? So here negative will go. Our x is going to give us, our x now we can say is going to give us 98.9795 like that. Here there is also 9. That is the amount that was added. Oh, so that was the amount that reacted. That is x, the one that reacted at first. It is 98.9. So now let me try to see the one that was added. So remember I said the one that was added, I said added is equal to 100 minus x. What am I going to do? I'm just going to say 100 minus this one. So what would be my answer? So here, x I've already found. This is my x here. So 100 minus this one. So my answer is 1.02 grams. So that is my answer. So let's try to look at the question. This is the question, and the answer here, this is 120, fail. 1200, fail. 1.02, good. 102, fail. 100, fail. So we've calculated the answer. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Together we can. This is Brainery, DR.